How to play Helldivers 2 multiplayer. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. So the two main ways to play Helldivers 2 multiplayer is firstly playing with friends. If you want to play multiplayer mode with a friend, you can easily do that. For it, launch your Helldivers 2 application in your device. From there, you need to head to the social tab at the top from your dashboard. You will get the list of options that will say friend or friends request. You can accept a friend request or just tap on friend. In that case, you need to invite your friend by giving them your friend code. By this way, once you invite your friend, you can select them in your squad to form a team as well. Also check for your matchmaking option. For that, tap on option and select on gameplay. Make sure that it is set to open to friends in the settings menu. By this way, both of you will be able to join in your Helldivers 2 game. Wasn't it simple? Follow the instructions provided to you and you'll be able to play your Helldivers 2 in multiplayer mode. Which wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.